Exam date has been finally confirmed by NBE, and this is an amazing opportunity for each and every one of you to fulfill your goals or dreams. Finally, after much waiting, National Board of Examination for Medical Sciences has released a notification today, that is 9th January 2023, stating that NEET MDS 2023 will be conducted on March 1st, 2023. So this is the official confirmation you have from the NBE, and you can access the same online at natboard.edu.in or nbe.edu.in. So some of the important highlights of this notification include: number one, they've released information bulletin where you can get complete information regarding NEET MDS 2023. Along with that, most importantly, you guys have been waiting for application forms, which will be live from today 7 p.m. onwards till 30th January 11:55 p.m. And along with that, date of the exam is March 1st, 2023, as we discussed previously, and result will be declared by 31st March 2023. Also, they're given some helpline number along with a link to a portal where you can contact them for any further details or for any further clarifications. Also, feel free to WhatsApp us 24/7, and we'll do our level best to help you out in the process of this NEET MDS 2023 exam. So now all you need to do is focus on your revision plan, as we have been discussing from the beginning. It's all about hard work, consistency, and self-belief. I'm sure you'll give your best. Wish you all the best. Love you all.